Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Knowledge Base, and today I'm going to show you on how to get views or promote your YouTube channel using VFly AI. Okay, when you go to your Google, when you go to your browser, get to we're getting to google.com. Get to google.com. After google.com, type VFly.com. Guys, as I'm showing you this, VFly.com is one of the best. As you see, so many people are promoting their channels with millions and millions of views, and you wonder how they do it, and you're there suffering with your YouTube channel. This is how we do it. VFly, when you go to Google and then put in VFly.com, you come in here and make sure this is the right logo. Please do not be cheated. This is the right logo for VFly.com. So we click on VFly.com. So when you get to VFly.com, in this case, it shows you that VFly gets you real YouTube engagement. 10 times better results than your average video ads. So when we come in here on VFly.com, we do start the campaign. So when you start the campaign, you come in here and you go to this place. Okay, I have already connected, but I'm going to show you what to do. So when you get to this dashboard, this is where we say connect the channel. So when you want to connect the channel, you go to your channel, you click here, you go to, let's say this is my channel. Okay, maybe let me look for another channel. I show you how we can do it, Okay, I'm just going to pick a channel. I just want to show you on how to pick a channel, and then we could be able to move perfectly. Okay, but nevertheless, we go here, we look at this channel. So you get your own channel. Let's talk about Bravo Podcast as the YouTube channel. So when you pick the Bravo Podcast, you come in here, you copy C, and then we go back to VFly. We go in and paste here. So we are adding our YouTube channel. When we get here, we say click. Now they will give you different channels that have a similar name like you. My channel is right here. So when I get my channel here, remember, look at this. This is my channel below, and the channel is already connected. Okay. So in this case, they say we have the recent videos, we have the relevant videos. You come here, they show you the relevant 5 videos. They pick them, or you say all videos. So you could put your channel here, and then you can also paste it here to get you all the videos that you need. So all my videos are right here. Okay. So what I need is that you pick the videos that you clearly need. Now we go in here, we say promote a short video. You put the link here, you pick the link and put here of that very video that you want to promote. We go to promote the channel. If you are interested in promoting the channel, then you pick 5 videos. They have already automatically picked these last videos that I posted on my channel. We go to manage channels. Then you're able to also, this is your channel, then link your channel or configure your auto promote, and please make sure that your Google ads are well linked. Then we go to the packages here. They have the packages. As you see, the packages, YouTube Silver Play package, and then you have the YouTube Silver Views, the bulk packages are also here. Then we go to the bulk, buy bulk views. You can have 25,000 views, we have 100,000 views, we have 500,000 views, we have 50,000 views, we have 250,000 views, and you have 1 million views. So guys, I want to show you that don't look at those channels that have millions and millions of views and you're like, wow, these guys buy the views and they are genuine views. So this is VFly that helps you get all these views with much more ease, okay? Now, when we go down to content generator, VFly also has got this part where you can buy credits. An AI content generator on YouTube. You can generate video titles, description, script, and more. And guess what, guys? Their credits are very affordable. Very, very cheap and very affordable. $10, you have 100 credits. $20, you have 250 credits. 500 AI credits, you have $30. Very cheaper than so many AI platforms. Then you have the daily ideas. You can always create daily ideas of the videos that you want. Okay, you could put it here and then also have different ideas as you see. Navigating family dynamics, you're doing the importance of estate planning, everything. This was picked from my channel and they are getting me the ideas that you can generate. If we click on generate, then here they are able to say pay for the credits, and when you have the credits it becomes cheaper. Then we have the voiceover. Okay, voiceover. This is voiceover. Voiceover means you are able also to buy credit for your voiceover if you want to create a voiceover for your own documentary or your own videos. Okay, there are tools down here. There are key title generator. There is also title rewriter. You can do title rewriter, and then you can have the right hashtags. Remember, YouTube has got its own special hashtags, and these hashtags will be able to be the right hashtags that you need for your own content. Okay, so guys, are you ready to promote your channel? Are you ready to make sure that your channel is well done down there? So check below. I am going to put the link so that you are not misled. I'm going to put the link below for VFly. Click on the link in my bio and then you're able to go to vfly.com and start promoting your YouTube channel. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.